Welcome back and let's solve another CTF today. This video is a part of picoCTF series for which I have made an entire sheet with a walkthrough link, the category, the challenge name as well as the difficulty so that it will be easier for you to track and complete the challenges. Now let's get back to the challenge. Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure
and keep hacking.
In the last video we covered hide me, and in this video we will be covering one of the interesting challenge here called information. So files can always be changed in a secret way. Can you find the flag? So you can download the file here. The file is cat.jpg. If we see, there are no revealed information as such, so we'll go on and continue with our checklist. So first and foremost is file, and it says it is a JPEG data and also some GFI standard. So after that we can go to strings to check if there are any hidden flag here. We can filter out using grep pico. Turns out they have not hidden it. So next is exif tool. It has more headers. So we have normal stuff like file name, directory, file modification, and we can confirm that it is a JPEG because in file and exif tool as well it says JPEG. So one of the interesting thing is here license. Typically license consists of a company name or such, but here it appears as if it is some base 64 string. So to confirm or to check, we can write here like this, and we can filter base 64, and to decode we will use -d. And yes, we were correct, this is none other than encoded flag. So we'll copy this and paste. So this was one of the interesting challenge because they hit the flag not directly but using base 64 encoding inside the headers. If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.